Hello, this is the help video for NTI Day 27, May 12th, reading box plots. I have the Google form pulled up that you have to do so you can follow right along with me as I go over this. Okay, so this is a box plot. This bottom dot, you can see that is your minimum value of your data set. The top dot is your maximum value of the data set. You have a line right here of your box that hits on a number. This is your lower quartile number. And then this other end of your box is your upper quartile. And then you have your mean. The mean is always the line in the middle of the box. There we go. So it says, what is the minimum value of the data set for number 1? So the minimum value, minimum means least. It means the smallest value. You go down to the very least part of your box plot. This used to be called a whisker, which it kind of looks like a cat whisker. Yeah. Anyway, so you look at the very lower whisker and you look at the number. So the minimum value for this data set is 2. So there you go, 2. Okay. So the maximum value of the data set, we're going to look at that other whisker. You can see the line is all the way at the very biggest number in your data set. You can see that that is 24. So that is your maximum. Okay. And then remember the range of your data set. The range is that you take your smallest number and you take your largest number and you subtract them. So our largest number is 24. Our smallest is 2. I'm going to go back down here. So you're going to do 24 minus 2. So the range for this data set is 22. Okay. Number 4 says, what is the value of quartile 1? When I learned it, we called it the lower quartile, so you might see it called both things. So the lower quartile is the very beginning of your box. It's the one that looks like this. Okay, so my lower quartile, you can look right there, is 5. Okay. Then it says, what is the median of the data set? The median is that very middle line in your box. Here's our median right here. It's also called the middle quartile. So, yeah. So if we look at the line in the middle of the box, we see that that lands on 14. Okay, and then quartile 3 is also called the upper quartile. I'm sorry, the median is called the quartile 2, and the upper value of the quartile 3 is, let's go up here and look. It's where the end of our box cuts off. So if we go straight down here, we see that the upper quartile is 18. Okay, now you have a second box plot to read and answer. Okay, remember your maximum is here. This is your max. I'm just going to kind of label this for you so you can do this. Your maximum value is here. Your minimum value is here. This is your lower quartile or quartile 1. Yeah, I'm just going to put lower Q because it's super hard to kind of draw with this. Lower quartile. This is our upper quartile or quartile 3. Yeah, it's super hard to do this. Okay, there's my upper quartile. And then this is the median or quartile 2. Okay. So with this information, you should be able to answer the rest of the questions. If you're still lost and you have no idea what to do, please don't just fill something in. Please reach out to your teachers to get help. Okay. And that is reading box plots. Thank you very much.